Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Sagar from Sagar 10. Today I am going to show you why not enable monetization after 4K hours and 1K subscriber. How to send feedback to YouTube and how to send email by the YouTube. I will also show how to send this. So are you of course show my videos till end. I am also explain why not enable monetization, how enable and when enable monetizations. So let's start now. This is my YouTube channel complete 4K hours and 1K subscriber. Now I will show you how to send feedback and send how to email. Now click monetization section your channel. Go to of course you go to channel and click monetization section and click help and feedback section and click send feedback. Some text are you enter these sections, how and why sections, enter the text and flip this text sections. Of course check description for this text. I will copy this text and paste there. I will also check my video descriptions. Now I will also show how to screenshot these videos. Click there, click this and drag these options and click the done button and send these sections. Send feedback. And now how to send a email to YouTube. Click help and feedback and click need more help, then click get creator support, click monetization and AdSense and contact creator support options. Now enter your first name. I show my first name is and last name. Then enter your YouTube channel URL and some text are you need help. I paste my this text options. Please check descriptions and click no. Of course you need to screenshot the section of monetization. Choose file and click the screenshot. Of course you click and screenshot before the apply. Now paste your YouTube channel URL for get monetizations and check YouTube. I enter my YouTube channel URL and flip this from and click submit button. Now I explain why not enable monetization YouTube. Now you would check your monetization sections, watch time and subscriber up to the 4 sections. Application for the YouTube partner program are still in a backlog. We hope to be able to review all open applications by the end of April. Thank you for your patience in the meantime. They explain our YouTube partner program now is still in a backlog and they hope their all open applications end of April. So they means our end of April all open applications manually review and get our monetization. Before give our monetization manually review by YouTube. YouTube manually review for reasons is our violate sexual and vulgar content published in YouTube. For YouTube now backlog and manually review our YouTube channel and every videos. So of course you need a patience and waiting for monetizations. I hope you are also explain my videos content. If these videos work for you, please hit the like button below, share with your friends and please subscribe my YouTube channel for latest videos for YouTube. Next time see you with you